welcome to Big Bend National Park. We just got done driving, I think about 7 miles down a washboard road and bumpy. We're both a little cranky. It was a long ride. And I think
a little tired from not sleeping well.
Yeah, and we didn't sleep good last night with the train noise and everything at our last boondocking spot. Slightly underwhelmed with Big Bend so far. I mean, it's pretty, but haven't had that wow moment yet. Maybe we're spoiled.
I think so, maybe a little. I think we're spoiled and cranky.
But maybe we'll find some nice stuff here. But we are hiking on the Grapevine Trail, and we are headed to, is it Balanced Rock? There's a lot of rocks balanced.
Cool.
Yeah, we hear it's good. So hopefully it'll redeem itself. We will see. Thanks for coming along with us on the Grapevine Trail headed to the Balance Rock. It was actually pretty cool. I will agree.
So if you enjoyed this today, please give us a like. It might help my attitude. Share with your friends. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you next week.
And hit that little notification bell
yeah.
somewhere up there.
Somewhere.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Oh, hello. Somebody's still watching. Believe it? If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and let us know if it was helpful. Also, please comment below if you have any questions about the van build or suggestions about the future content as we build out this channel. Follow us along our journey on Facebook or Instagram using Corn Dog Caravan. If you're not a subscriber, please hit the subscribe button and tell your friends about our channel.